Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, it's your boy Chig. We're with Move Different, man. Let's get the day started, guys. I have a big surprise for you guys. I promise you guys will like what we're doing today, man. But first of all, let's take a trip down to LA, man. Pick up the surprise and we'll catch you guys later, all right? Man, we just arrived out here in LA, man, and let's show y'all the surprise. Give me a couple of seconds, y'all enjoy. I'll be right back, okay? All right, you guys, I got my cousin Izu, man. Step out the car, introduce yourself, man. Hey, you guys, I have my cousin Izu from Nigeria, man. Introduce yourself, man.
Hey, you guys.
You just arrived a couple years ago, man. This is his beautiful Stingray Corvette right here. Perfect. And today, guess what? He's letting us do a review on this car. Let's get it going. Once again, this your boy Chig. This is Move Different. And this is that amazing, beautiful surprise I told you guys that we're gonna be working with today, all right? So let's get the rolls, let's get the money going. Once again, hey, hit that subscribe button for the last time. I'm begging you now. I'm gonna bring y'all content every week. I promise. This is Chig, man. Hold me to that. All right? All right, you guys, man, we have a one-of-a-kind car. It has a couple of blemishes, but hey, this car's been used for a couple of times since Izu's been here. And guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna review these babies. And they say this car is there's two big difference. I actually don't think so. To me, they got the same engine underneath. Mine just producing 455 horsepower. This one, they say, quote unquote, is roughly making 460 to 465. They don't want competition between the both, but I believe as a Camaro driver, I'm a bit biased. I'm gonna say it. But we're gonna check it out today and see what they're working with, man. Follow me. Once again, let's get in the car, show them the features of how it looks compared to the Camaro, all right? Get it, man. Check it out. As y'all can see, this is a bit smaller car from the size difference between the Corvette and the Camaro. It's a big freaking difference, man. You can't play, but hopefully y'all think I could fit in here, man. I'm 6'5", but let's see the magic. Let's see the magic, dog. Oh, man, it feels like you were falling on the ground. I thought the Camaro was low. No, this joint, you have to do what I call the drop step. You gotta bye-bye. That's the struggle of 6'5" in the Corvette. Boom, now we're in this joint. While you're in it, it feels cozy. It's not that bad. It's really nice actually in here. It feels more compact compared to the Camaro. I felt like I had more space in the Camaro. But here, I wouldn't mind this. This looks good. All right, you guys, my favorite feature about this car, once again, I would say is the James Bond screen. If you don't want anybody to know where you're hiding stuff in this car, just simply click this. Bow! Y'all see that? Drop anything here, they wouldn't even see it come. You could put your car keys, your phone, your wallet, anything you don't want anybody to see, just put it right in there. It's just like how I clicked it, right back up with a click of the button. Everything is all good. Now, what we're here to talk about is the C7 Corvette, but due to the fact that the C8 just dropped, the price really are going down on these cars. So if you really want to pick it up, go pick it up. It's an amazing car to drive so far. But let's do what we came here for, which is my favorite part. Dropping the roof off this joint. Never drove a drop top before, but there's always a first time for everything. So let's get it, man. Hopefully I don't struggle too much with this, man. But let's get it. All right, you guys, man, Izu just walked me through on how to take the hood off. Yes, it is a convertible, which that's why I asked him to bring this joint out here today. It's kind of hot in LA. I don't have a haircut. That's why I got the hood on, man. But soon, hopefully I can get cut up, man. If you're a good barber out there, hit me up. I really need a cut, man. Thank you. All right, now, here comes the struggle. Hopefully he reminds me, hopefully I remember how to really do this, but come inside and let's show them how to process it. All right, guys, so for the struggle of the video, time to watch me take this bad boy off. Hopefully, I know what I'm doing here. I heard you release this, boom. Drop this back. Oh, is this how to do it? Oh, Lord, no. Oh, Jesus, no. Oh, there it goes. Something is loose. Something is loose now. Do we got to click anything here? Nope. How do you, oh, let me step outside. I know. Hold on now. Hold on now. It's a struggle. We gonna get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just like that, guys. Just like that, guys. I think we did it. I think we did it, but first let's take this right here. I'm gonna open this up. And just like that. Oh, no. Something is holding it. Oh, Izu, I need your help. My cousin was chilling in the car for a bit while we reviewed his. I need your help, boy. Hey, man, help me pick this up. Pick it up with 2 hands, dude. Take it to the back. All right, guys, so we're putting it in. It's my first time taking this off.
Yes, that way.
Hopefully you get it right.
No, we didn't do it right. Okay.
Right here?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Just like that.
Yeah.
It's secured. It ain't going anywhere. It ain't going anywhere. Boom. Just like that. We just drop the top off this joint. Never been in the drop top before, but y'all see this? I'll look at it. How do I look in here? Tell me how. I feel like a money man. You feel me? I feel like I got money here, even though I don't.
Hello everyone, how you doing today? This is Success. I'm usually the guy behind the camera. Right now, I'm about to rev up the engine of this bad boy. Y'all should listen. Let's go.
All right, you guys, man, so you guys just saw Sussa just came, wrapped the engine up on this bad boy. He did an amazing job. Now we're gonna pop the hood, show y'all what this car is really working with, and also compare it to the Camaro, which is right there, all right? Ooh, getting out of here, man, is no joke. Getting out of that car, gotta literally touch the ground to get out, but boom. As y'all can see come through, y'all can see that 6.2 liter V8 right there. A beautiful engine. You can't lie. Chevy does an amazing job with the interior. I know it's kind of dirty, man. You got to clean the fuck out your car.
Yeah, I got to clean it.
Excuse my language. As we come here, you guys can see right over here. Look at the Corvette. This is 6.2, like I said earlier, right? Boom, man. You come right here. The same exact engine we do have here in the Camaro, but this one just produces about 455 horsepower. That one is making 465 or 460, as I believe. Basically, you're basically the same exact car, just a little bit lighter. That one is just a little bit lighter. This one has a little bit more weight in it. My preference from what I've seen so far, I still prefer the Camaro so far because I'm a bigger dude. It gives me more space. But let's get these joints on the road, get them spinning. Let's go. To test this bad boy out. Hopefully y'all can hear me through this wind. But so far, man, I actually like the Camaro better. But this joint with the drop top, man, yeah, there's no better experience.
Beast.
pig. We finna spin this joint, move different.
Why they stop? Why they stop? Why they stop? No stop. No stop. No stop. No stop. Police. Yes.
Where? No police.
That police? Man is rolling, man. Oh, yeah.
Look at Tiamat. Y'all see that shit?
All the way from Africa, man.
Hey, you already know. Back that thing up though. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Hey man, that's what we do out here. Move different. I told you. Hey y'all, man, it's your boy Che. This easy. We finna spin the Camaro next, man. After spinning the Corvette, we finna get it, man. Man, you a short motherfucker.
You want to join us? You want to join my for life? Go ahead.